Samsung has officially launched its new mid-range 5G phone under M series in India called GALAXY M53. Talking about the specifications, the GALAXY M53 supports a tall 6.7-inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED plus Infinity O display with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset, paired with Mali G68MC4 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of RAM that can be extended up to 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. As per the optics, the GALAXY M53 features a quad camera setup in a squarish module at the top left corner that houses a 108MP main camera with a 1.8 aperture, plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 123° field of view, plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 25W fast charging, and it runs on Android 12 with One UI 4.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it comes with vapor cooling system that keeps the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.6 by 77 by 7.4mm, and it weighs around 176 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The GALAXY M53 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 23,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 25,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from April 29th in blue and green color options. So what do you guys think of this GALAXY M53 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSolve YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.